Hi, welcome back. Another important session. Support project real time. Basically, difference between a RITM and incident. Specifically, it is useful in your interviews also. Okay, it can be ECC or S4 HANA or .NET or you take any project. This is the process. You have to find it out. What is basically incident? Okay, incident means it's broken. Something broken. For example, um, you got an incident so it is mandatory for shipment, route is mandatory. Okay, so in sales order, route is not determined. Okay, it's broken. Okay, in simple example, I'll try to extend this example. What is the basic difference between incident and RITM? Okay, so when you talk about the incident, so now we got an incident you have to resolve it. Being a functional consultant, you have to put forth analysis why this route is not determined. It can be any reason, maybe issue with your shipping condition, issue with your plant, issue with your shipping point, issue with your transportation planning point. It can be anything, right? So that is incident. In the similar way, suppose if the one material it is not allowing to create a sales order. Okay, it can be material exclusion, it can be like some custom enhancement. This is incident. Something broken which is not allowing to move forward, or else which is allowing you but it is not actually allow you to walk further. You created a billing document. Okay, so then you are not able to do the account posting. It has hundreds of reasons. I'm telling you, my friends, for sales order billing level, if you are perfect, leave about the delivery and shipment also. So in support you will have a specific role, order management role will be there. To industries will invite you and put a red carpet if you try to resolve incident on time actively. Okay, this is the incident. Now what is RITM? Okay, I need something, or else it's broken, it shouldn't be repeated. Okay, as per the current example. Okay, what is request items? Request items, RITMs, they will call it as instant will be created and RITM will be created in that is also RITM plus some 1 2 3 4 5 number. Incident IN plus 1 2 3 4 5 number. Okay, I'll tell you the difference. Request items contains the actual form the customer submitted and links to one or more tasks required to fulfillment. RITM can be assigned to fulfillment group, not an individual. What is this exactly? RITM means actually, for example, in support, 5 team members are working. Okay, so for a group, it will be assigned. It can be individually with reference to RITM. Task will be separately created, not with reference to incident. But what is the link between incident and RITM? Also, I will explain you. Okay, RITM, someone is coming sales office address need to be changed. Okay, or else certain materials, some materials for external system, it's need to be blocked. Okay, these request, but it's not sometimes RTM. It depends, it might be the urgency might be quick, or else it might be you can take time actually. Sometimes, most of the times, configuration requests will come as RTMs. Okay, so then what is the difference between RTM and incident? Incident means it's broken, I want it quickly. RTM means it will be created to task. For example, similar example, sales order, route determination is missing. It can be anything. So you went for a live. This is for France country. Okay, so France, I have 5 6 plants are there, and I have two sales organizations are there for France country. For these two sales organization, for 5 plants, the route itself it is not determining. First, I got one incident, this is the thing. Once check, it is the responsibility to check the functional consultant. Do we have impact, or else do we have the same issue for other sales orgs also? Once you done your R&D, then you can inform to the customer, I'm just fixing this issue. You better raise RTM so that it will go to the config team, or else you only try to do it. It depends on the support role. For example, the configuration and incident management can be done by one team, or else two separate teams, or else it might be like, you will have a different kind of approval. So then they will release the form for all these 5 plans. I want for different shipping conditions, the route need to be determined, like, 5 to some 20 to 30 routes need to be created. That sometimes it come as an incident, and after that, it will be converted into RTM. After that, this task will be assigned. Suppose, for example, the same thing is happening for 5 to 6 countries after go live. Then so RITM will be assigned to your support group. That will be the task. The task will be split into 5 members. Each one is doing 30 routes, 30, 30, 30. So either offline or online, it is different. So maybe RITM will be assigned to one person, and offline, your lead says that, you just help Mr. Jagdish Kumar Raidu, or else Mr. Shanmukam, Mr. John, or else Mr. Rocky, or else whoever the team members you have, Muhammad, whoever. Okay, Imran. So like that, the task will, jokes are on part. I'm just telling. So like, the RATM will be assigned to these people, either individual task with reference to RATM, or else RATM will be assigned to one person within the group, and offline the task will be handled. This is how the support works. Okay, this is the basic difference between incident and RITM. You try to check in your real time. If you'd like to add some views in the form of the comments, you can write it. Okay, don't worry about this definition. I explained with that example so that you better understood this one. Okay, textbook definitions will not work every time. That is the basic difference between outside institution and learning from like, real-time consultant. Anyhow, that's not an issue. You can try. It depends on the individual who actually giving training to you. This is the basic difference between incident and RNTM. And if you are, this is my request. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe to get more inputs from my side. Whatever I know, it will come to you. Okay, it's time to release the knowledge like this. Don't worry about this one. And when it comes to my courses, I'm currently holding 3,784 students. And so now price is high. Probably like now you can try Monday to Friday anytime by using my links. So price might be reduced, or else you can spend, no issues. It's not a big deal. The sales and distribution, plain English, which is available currently 93.5 hours. This video also will be added. And SAP S4 HANA Simple Logistic Business Partner Concept. If you are not yet introduced to S4, you try this course. And pricing. Recently, this is one of the top most and my favorite course. My soul and heart is there. If you want to learn pricing in detail, you try this one. And after that, you try these two courses also advanced. This is I have done an SAP S4 HANA screens. There is no difference. There you have 16 fields. Now we have 17 fields. And field length and technical details got incremented. Okay, so that is how difference, otherwise nothing else. Okay, that also you can find it out. So SAP SD rebates, if you would like to learn rebates, then do this. All these are the basics. So now I have given pricing. Now I have given pricing at advanced level, different topics in standard. You can try this. And I have one very, very important course which I have now. Okay, let me help you out this. This is the course now, real-time idoc training for SAP consultants with business. Okay, previously it is 2 rated in previous videos because I don't know, different students have different mindsets. I cannot help them out. Okay, this is one of the top course. This is one of the best opportunity. You try this course. I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed. Okay, here I explained 3 practical scenarios, and future I am trying to add. And this is specifically budge for functional consultant. You guys must try this course for your enhancement. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you so much. I wish you all the best. Have a great day. I welcome you. Please subscribe my channel. If you wanted to write, you can write in future. If you want something, I can get it done. Thank you so much. So have a great day. Jai Hind.